let's do a quick review of these trades that I've been taking this morning. Sell positions on GBP USD right here at this yellow dot. I took about 7 entries right here. Took about 7 entries right there. Okay, I took out 5 entries. 5 of those entries, I took them out right here. And then I took out another 2 right here. I did 8. Was that 8? Yeah, so I have, let me check my MetaTrader. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my bad. This first one, I took out 4 entries. Here I took out 2 entries. And I have 1 more left over from right here. What it is I'm looking for is I'm looking for price to come back up. I can expect a reaction within this area, but I'm really looking for price to come back up into this area and retest this area right up in here. So if we get that, I'll be looking to take a sell trade, some more sell trades, some bigger positions further down. If this pair wants to continue going up, I can see it doing 2 things. I can see it coming down into this area and bouncing back up here and just kind of playing like that, right? Or I can see it coming up into this area and then playing itself out and just consolidating on throughout into tomorrow. So I don't know what's going to happen, but overall I'm looking to probably take profit from this trade soon because it's not really trying to pull back right now, and it can. Let's review the trades that we're taking. So these are the second entries that I want to show that I took. So if we look at this particular area here, I took a lot of my profit, pretty much all of my profit from my first initial sales. I took them all right there. Then I was still at work, and like I said, I was waiting for price to make a move back up here to retest this so that I can take another sell. And I anticipated going all the way down to here. However, it did not do that. So I took some bigger positions where these yellow dots are here. I took some initial positions. I think it was about 4 trades. The lot size was 0.02 for each one. These other ones from my first entries was 0.01s. And then I ended up taking, what did I do? I think I closed 2 of those positions before we got up to this area here. And when we got up to that area here, that's when I put in quite a few more positions, sell positions. And so from there, we rolled price all the way down to, where did we stop? I want to say we stopped about, I think we actually rolled it all the way down to here. So we got out of the trade somewhere within here. That's where we got out of our trade. I like to believe that I got out actually within this area when we had a lot of back and forth. So I got out of my trade there. This account has been very, very wild. I mean, once I release this video, you guys will see, like, I take this account from like $30 to $50 to $90 to over $100 to over $200, back down to $100, back down to $90, back down to $40, back to $200. Hell, all the way down to like $5, negative 81 cents, but still have equity of like $9. Bro, this account has been through it all, and right now we're sitting at like $50 and some change right now. So I didn't take any trades today because today is Christmas Eve. So when I woke up this morning, I basically took a look at the market and I saw that the market was just doing a whole bunch of basically what I just said was the market just did all of that right there. Market was doing a bunch of crazy stuff, and I definitely did not want to get involved with trading any of that. So I just allowed the market to play itself out for Christmas Eve. Obviously, Christmas Day, the market is closed, which is a Saturday. Sunday, market's going to open up. More than likely, I'm just going to watch the market, because right now, we just look like seriously, we look like we're consolidating right now. If you look at it like this, that's the low. So this is considered the low of the day. And the high of the day is up there. So this being the low, this being the high, I'm basically waiting for a breakout of that. One thing I am seeing though, let me zoom out. I am noticing this. We could be approaching. Oh, bam. So actually, if you look here, right, today, Christmas Eve, this right here, that would have been a beautiful trade. We tapped into that right there. Market went up. So what I'm looking for, right now, if I was going to continue to take sell positions, I would want to see market open, right? I would want to see price continue to shoot down, right? I would want to see price to continue to shoot down from where it is. So continue to shoot down, break beneath there, come back up, retest into this area here, and then shoot down. And I would want to catch that retest. Whatever that retest is, I would want to catch that. That would be my trade here. Is a break of this bullish momentum trend line and a retest. Take it to the downside. One-minute time frame has really allowed me to see many different patterns, and that's the great thing that I'm enjoying about trading on a 1 minute. Because for instance, look at this, right? This trade I took right here. Whenever you see yellow dots on my charts, that's usually where I enter the trade. So for instance, this right here, right? This little area that I marked off, this blue line here, this blue trend line that I am turning red, this would be a descending triangle on a 1 minute chart for me. Like, that's how I would see it. And let me find it, if I can find it. 1 second. Yeah. So this is a descending triangle for me. Every time price come up into the area, it rejects. It rejects. Right here, we started to have a break, coming back down and retest. Real breakout, because it broke out above this last push down, closed above it, came back down to retest the breakout point, shoot up, boom, money.